Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set only me featured photo on Facebook story highlight. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to simply log into your Facebook account and then you're going to click on your profile here at the bottom right. After that, you're going to click on the three horizontal lines at the top left, scroll down till you find the option of settings and privacy. Over here, once you click on it, you'll be able to see a long drop down. So you're going to click on settings and you'll be redirected to settings and privacy. Scroll down till you find the section of audience and visibility. So here you'll be able to see an option that says profile and tagging. Click on it and you'll be able to see who can see what others post on your profile. Right now it's set to friends. What you're going to do is click on only me and then click on save. And this is how you can customize and make your Facebook posts and profile more private. And that is how you can set only me featured photo on Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.